Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these fun Boo tie-dye shirts. For the materials, you'll need a white t-shirt, a bowl of water, an iron-on decal, dye, a plastic bag, rubber bands, and gloves. First, dunk your shirt in the water and wring it out. If you want the line pattern, you'll scrunch it up in the direction you want the lines and start rubber banding how wide you want the lines. If you want the spiral, you'll pinch where you want the spiral to go and then twist. Then I put 3 rubber bands around it like you were cutting a pizza. After that, I chose purple and black for my colors and alternated the different pizza slices with each color. If you're doing the lines, just alternate colors between each of the rubber bands. Make sure you get both sides. Once you have them both dyed, put them in a bag. Let them sit for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the shirt from the bag and cut the rubber bands. Open them up and rinse out the extra dye until the water runs clear. Then take the shirts and wash them on hot with mild detergent and dry on high heat. Once washed and dried, figure out where you want to put the iron-on decal. Stick it to the shirt and use an iron on the cotton setting. Let them sit for a few minutes to properly adhere and peel off the plastic backing. And that's it! These are so fun, funky, and different and will really get you into the Halloween spirit. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!